para sa inyong lahat yun. And before anything else, and before natin continue ang ating event, we would like to thank some of our, actually padami tayong ano eh. Salit tayo pa rin. Pero yan, we would like to thank our major sponsors!
Budang Tubo! Okay, unang-una na dyan, ang Academy of Rock
PH. Yeah, maraming salamat. Maraming natin sila, Academy of Rock PH. And especially kay Sir Jonathan, kay Sir Rox, and kay Miss Cathy. Maraming salamat po.
And of course, sa mga brands na patuloy kong sumusuporta sa Aster. Magmula nung nag-debut pa lang kami hanggang ngayon. Maraming sa KFC. Thank you so much kay Sir Jordan.
Yes, thank you so
much.
Jordan.
Head Public Relations Representative yata.
Yes, thank you so much. And also, Sir Jamin and Guerrilla. Yeah, maraming salamat po sa inyo. At hindi po yan mabubuo ang ating event kung wala yung mga yan. Actually, itong mga tao na to, gusto ko namin pasalamatan kasi sobra po yung help nila in the background, in the front ground, in the background, and sa lahat ng ground.
Yes.
Yeah, especially kay Velve! Ayan, sino nakakuha ng cartonized PC? Kasi ba, yung 12. Guys, favorite ko talaga yun. Like, limited edition siya, so keep it.
And alam niyo ba, Kuya Castigo, meron yung photo frame version.
Yes, ayan.
Baka nyo yun man yung one of these days that we're going to sell or we're going to give away.
Yeah, give away some of the merch. And also kay Purple Penguin for the keychains. Maraming salamat. And also kay AD Prints and Crafts, yung PC namin na sobrang kapit na pwede nyung pang-text.
Pwede kang pang-follow yun eh.
Pang-post yun. Kaya maraming salamat. And also kay Clixie Photo Food. Yan, yung may mga friends namin. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala kayo.
And of course, gusto din po namin pasalamatan yung mga nag-sponsor po ng mga freebies natin for tonight and sa mga inclusions sa mga kids nila. To Tita Remy Girls, Saludes Angeles.
Cynthia Board, maraming salamat.
Si Ate Arian, ang head admin ng Twinkles Official.
Salamat Ate Arian.
At nandito po ang CEO ng Lunari PH. Kasi kayo.
Yes. Yan, yung nakita yung keychain ko na yan, akala nyo madali. Hindi. Pero dahil saying, guys, I've been free. Pero binara naman ako ng master kasi alam nila na lahat tayo nagpapagod. So lahat ng pagod natin dapat napapayaran. Tama! Tama ba? Learn to free. Kasi yung talent natin hindi naman free. So syempre, tamang ano lang, like talk and self-appreciation. Maraming salamat, Aster, for supporting Lunari PH.
And of course, gusto din ko namin pasalamatan yung Lights and Sounds natin.
Sa SJ Lights and Sound, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kay Sir Justin, and kay Sir Justin din, and kay Sir Justin. Kata kami. Yes, kata kami Justin. We are Justin the Third. Justin Q. Mathematician. Anyway, ayun, sige go read.
And of course, then kay Tita Ruby, thank you so much po sa support sa amin. And alam niyo ba guys, fun fact, ito pong event na ito is the first ever Aster-initiated event. Meaning kami po yung nag-organize from the songs, from the choreographies, lahat po ng ito, sets, lahat lights and sound, everything guys. We are so honored and we are actually being humbled.
Grabe, isang pang malakas na palakpak para sa Aster members! Simulan natin pagpasalamat kay leader ni Kian, Charlie, Cathy, G, Alas, Lawrence, Ray, Lloyd, Kian, Jen, Miguel, Kuray! Grabe, so ayun, ulitin ko lang no, itong stage design natin. Thanks to Miss Cathy and also kay Charlie and kay Grace. Sila talaga nag-design yan. Like, talagang pinong-pinong. Lahat na ito, dito lang sa loob. Pinagkasya-kasya na natin dito.
Parang nag-recycle kami ng mga
yes! Ayan, sa lahat ng mga kami po talaga ang nagaling ito. Nawala yung sound. Pero yun po, maraming salamat ulit Aster members. And of course, I think we're going to our next round na. So,